Good morning, everybody. I hope we're all well this morning. Our first card is that somebody in our lives are behaving stupidly, but this person in our lives was put there for a reason. They were there to tempt us to try and do things against our will. But we spent enough time in isolation to know what's right for us. And our loved ones say, don't let others coerce you into a decision. You know in your heart what the right choice is. It's been quite a journey we've been on with this person and this situation in our lives, either physically or mentally or both. But it's time now. This is our time now to get out of this situation. We are being enlightened and it's coming in fast. Things are coming in fast. It's the end of it now. We had to take a mental vacation or a physical vacation to realize that this situation is making us sick and we needed to heal from it. It was a period of frustration for us, and but it's lessons that we had to learn and lessons we learned. We've walked away from these things now and we're finding our own peace, our own joy, which is fantastic. There are opportunities waiting for you, and they say it's going to bring you more balance in your life, and also you will get more money so that you can help others. You're still looking over your shoulder, but that's fine. With love, peace, and forgiveness, eventually it will fade away. Happiness is going to be yours. You set your boundaries and you're moving forward with that. As far as misunderstandings go, which it maybe was one big misunderstanding, you are now creating new ideas for yourself. There's new ventures and a fresh start for you. And your fortune teller card says a powerful ally will appear in your life. You must welcome this person. Have a lovely day, everybody. I hope it all goes well with us. Love you all.